This is how my garden looks after a shower. Last night we had one of the summer showers and all the leaves looked washed in the morning, especially after the streaming morning sun. What you can see, this is the only time of the day when my garden gets sunlight, because later it gets covered by these trees and other buildings. So do enjoy the beauty of this rain washed garden. My plants are all looking so healthy and green. So here's this chiku tree. I have some shade loving begonias. They are not so clear because the sun is filtering there. These are a set of other foliage plants. You will notice that I rarely have flowers in my garden because of the lack of sunlight.